up, guys? It's your girl Toya, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm bringing you a spin-off of the two-strand twist style. It's cute, it's edgy, it's simple. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, keep watching. These are the products and tools I used in this tutorial. As you can see, I am starting out on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I separated her hair into 6 sections, but you do what you feel comfortable with. Okay guys, so I did this part off camera because I knew it was going to take me forever to get the part right. So all I did was separate the hair that I would be doing the braids with on the left to make styling a little bit easier. As you can see, I have already started twisting her hair, but all I did was start from the back of her head on the right side and begin to section her hair in medium-sized sections. Depending on how big or small you want the twist to be, that will determine how big of a section you will twist the hair. For some reason, guys, people think that twists are not wearable, as in go outside in public wearable, but they're my sister's go-to favorite style. I feel like as long as you get creative and jazz it up every now and then, you can rock them twists. Insist, I don't mean just under that bonnet preparing for that bomb twist out you trying to rock next week either. Get creative and wear them twists, girl. Okay? But anywho, enough rambling from me. Let's go on, kick back and enjoy the rest of the video. So, with this being our official first video on this channel, go ahead and drop us a comment below letting us know what it is that you guys want to see from us. And if you want to continue to see content like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You know we'd appreciate it. Alright, later guys. Okay, so once all of the hair in that section has been twisted, it should look a little something like this. Okay, moving on to the fun part, the braids. Guys, I did not have a particular style set in mind when I was doing her hair, so I just kept it fairly simple. But please feel free to style your braids however you like. And just make sure you finish these braids till all of the hair in that section is completed. We are done, and these are the final results. I absolutely love this style, and if you can't tell by her reaction, she do too. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified on every new video we post. Until next time, guys, peace.